Microsoft has launched Windows 11 on October 5, 2021, and Microsoft has revealed that this version of Windows will be a free upgrade to most supported PCs and laptops. Today, we will be looking at few major features and changes in Windows 11. First of all, the whole UI is refreshed pretty dramatically. So we got this new start menu, rounded corners, the new animations, the widgets, etc. The entire design that I would describe as very glassy, like there is a lot of shininess and transparency. The new Settings app looks a lot cleaner with new theme section and other options. There is also this new Action Center, which looks cool. And there is also the new Notification Center. Microsoft Teams is now built into Windows 11, so bye-bye to Skype. As you can see, there is a Teams icon in the taskbar, and you can just click that to open up this chat list. It's very simple. Now you can click on a contact and make a call, or even accept a call easily. You can even use Teams to text people on the go. So, Teams will be the default messaging app, and Microsoft is trying to push it among regular peoples. I have seen a lot of people use Zoom, Google Meet, etc. But it will be interesting to see if people switch to Teams more because of this integration in Windows 11. The new Snap feature in Windows 11 is really very cool. If you hover over the Maximize button, you will get all these new multi-window Snap presets. It's a great feature for people who work with multiple windows. Windows will remember these layouts even when you switch to a different app. One of the coolest features they have added is that Windows now remembers when you have a Snap layout in a different monitor screen. That means when you unplug the monitor, they will all minimize. And when you plug that monitor back in, Windows 11 automatically opens up the Snap layout you were using on that screen. The biggest new feature that Windows 11 has come up with is the support for Android apps. That is pretty cool, right? The Android apps will be available from the Microsoft Store, and it can give you access to a whole new suite of millions of apps. And this is made possible through a collaboration between Microsoft and Amazon, so that you can install Android apps on Windows 11, and this is all going to be run through the Intel Bridge technology. Also, Microsoft have redesigned the Entertainment tab to bring the movies and TV shows from across streaming services, all in one place. One of the awesome features in Windows 11 is that you can now set up multiple desktops, and you can customize what those desktops looks like. You can personalize them with different apps and different wallpapers to give all of them a very unique look. You can have a desktop for home, for school, for work, and even for game. Microsoft has also included the widgets in Windows 11. If you click on the widget icon, right down on the taskbar, you will get a whole bunch of information customized by AI. I could see the weather, the calendar, traffic information. I get all this informations. Looks like Microsoft has rebuilt the Microsoft Store from the scratch. As you can see, it has a new layout and a beautiful user interface. The store is so simple to use, fast, and it has all types of apps. Be the modern universal apps, Win32 app or a web app. In fact, Microsoft showed the Adobe Creative Cloud listed on the Windows Store. Bringing the Creative Cloud and Document Cloud directly to the Microsoft Store through the subscription services helps the end users to purchase them from Microsoft Store directly. And finally, my favorite. Windows 11 has brought some big update for gamers. Games can look better than ever on Windows 11. There is a new feature called Auto HDR, which automatically updates your game's lighting and color to high dynamic range. Well, here's the side-by-side comparison of Skyrim. You can see the difference in colors and lighting. They are much more vibrant and lifelike with HDR. This will work not only on Skyrim but over 1,000 games, including Age of Empires, Rocket League, DayZ, Doom and lot more, on any Windows 11 devices that supports HDR. So those are all the new features. Apart from these, here is the Windows 11 requirements. There is a PC health checkup tool that you can use to check and let you know if the device will support the Windows 11. So let me know what you think about the new features in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribe and like. For notification on new videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.